Hi everybody, Matthias here, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to make your text move on Instagram story, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what we need to do first is to go into our Instagram app. Perfectly, now when you're on your Instagram app, then what you need to do first is to click on your plus symbol in the top right corner. So I'm going to click there right now. Perfect, now we need to click where it says story. Great, in here we need to click where it says camera. Then you will come to this page right here. As you can see, you will need to click on the AA symbol. So I'm going to click on the symbol, it's like a big A and a little a, so click there. Perfect, you will now come to this page right here. What you need to do now is to just click anywhere on your phone screen. So I'm going to click anywhere, and now I'm going to type hello, as you can see. And when you're done typing, then click on next in the top right corner. Great, now click on your text. And then as you can see, I get these like options like in the top middle, as you can see, but there is one option where it's like an A with two lines to the left basically. So I'm going to click on that symbol right now, and as you can see, it starts typing, so it gets like an animation here, as you can see. And if you want to change animation, then just change the font. So I'm going to change to another font here. And as you can see, if you change to another font, then the animation also changes. So basically, yeah, this is exactly how to do it. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.